To be happy in a marriage in Nigeria is by connection, according to Uche Ogbodo. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, that to be happy in a marriage these days is by connection, according to Uche Ogbodo, because her marriage have crashed. She said, according to her, can go yo to where go. For person to tire for marriage na taboo, because na woman imagonde mad na say na for person to be tired in a marriage as a woman no alo. Must it be always be a man that is tired? My tired is I am tired. I am tired of the princess where they marry me. What is wrong with that? To be happy in a marriage as a woman in Nigeria is by connection. I know they do again na sin. Make nobody push me to the wall because I be rubber. 8 years of my life isn't enough yet. Maybe I should give it 20 years or maybe 6 feet under before the crown of thorns can fit me well. Iya koko. So mwese I get in on. Mwese again I get in on because alcohol did too much. Igwe eziokwu ka marriage si ayasa na Nigeria kita in the world nke ikpeazụ a ọ na-amama akpata oyi. Annual 2 days, 3 days, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Highest if onye kita if onye na marriage kita celebrate 20 years, 30 years. Bulu mwanya je to mama just kenekwu the person kene nwanyi kene nwoke because ihe na afọ kita dị too much. So according to Uche Ogbodo, she said that she's married to a princess. Imeboku you say I am tired of the princess where they marry me. Oh makwa no onwe na ọ na-anụ princess from the get go. Because ọ mụta dio feel no ye eji ego. Because ndị mmadụ na-asị na ego ka o ji wee nobata the man maka ego. Ndị Nollywood ọ na-enwe ego. Ndị Nollywood ụmụ nwoke ka iche ekigodi ụmụ nwoke nọ na Nollywood ego one ka fa nwe. Ndị mmadụ na-asị because na ego ka the guy ji wee kweta wee no bia fa no bago 8 years the guy wee marriage wee yes sir Uche Ogbodo je kesi is it ni anosia ni ada anoze that is it a taboo that for somebody to be divorced in Nigeria as a woman? First of all, it's not a taboo. You have every right for your sanity, for your mental health, for everything to work out on any marriage if you na gene because we don't want stories that touch the bomb. Now the whole thing the coco water ndị mmadụ na say that na ka go nwa ikebe eziokwu na ife me Uche Ogbodo ji wee jụ na ma anụzidie ka ife me na since aria na mgbe olube ikie. You know, recently I don't know whether you follow up because recently this Uche Ogbodo I na-ekwu maka ndị amaria Uche Ogbodo, I'll be putting the pictures up. Okay, Uche Ogbodo is a Nollywood Igbo actress. She's Igbo that is doing very well for herself. And recently, after giving birth, I don't know, I'm not sure, but she has babies. She has omugonwa, okay? And she decided that she's going to work on her body. And she recently got herself a natural BBL. You know, Olusi curves. So people are now saying, Nigerians are now saying that because she did the BBL and liposuction, that's why she decided that she's going to quit on the guy. Say why? Why didn't she quit on him initially? Not after Messi BBL, she decided to quit because someone take ego. You know, and Nigerians, people are very, very funny. Sometimes ezoku de kwanefa na eku, sometimes ezoku adironia because no onye issue mo ebe na feel for. You cannot just be somewhere na eko na nkaji we maro. Oh, the lady issue mo ebe na fear because she said that she is tired of the princess with the Mariam. You can imagine as a babe, as a guy man, one nigga nwanya na efendi na ebudie boys and give a or men can I say man no man we she not say I need they do again. No, you know this princess as a man give a question anya na offended for the family na help and dog everything water obolozia nwanyi na ebu ma nwoke o ma nwanyi and they man in recent times nke ikpeazu ụmụ nwanyi ekwe especially once nwanyi ngwetebego 1 or 2 ego okay onwe like millions start having millions o change motor aka na ekwuzi oluo ikie ke fa na ekwu oluzi onwe elusi everywhere you know if you feel I got to rap the guy and don't rap again say you know they do again. You know they do again because of Fuguzo. That's why most guys see their boss on a factory can we follow on with because no follow often on them mother of Fuzo Posiapo and them and Uche na film and she's very good. You know, people like her, yeah. As more than Kilip on Hollywood sometimes. I like her very well now for in the movies. You know, and now she's set. You know, that's why some people are afraid that their wife will not do this BBL. Say this BBL. And you know what? This guy came out and was saying that men should allow their wives to do BBL. BBL and about 1 naira. It's not 500k. Yeah, go from 5 million Bogobe. Why if I jalo BBL? Or lo say ya body guy in kitty. Uche okay. And also go there fa. Lo say if any in all law. Much apta. Say I am tired of the princess with the marry me. And she don't walk up. Up go. Or chose there only the Gabia Cocasiba. You know, so waiting concern us. And we are here to talk about palaver. Okay? Women in recent times are let's say are woke. I woke guy was there because feminists that chose marriage and edi. Ojiwa na manage the feminists think it bazo. Fa chose ya cho first in ike gwonyo obu na nyakwalo. And all years ago. However you feel about this video, do leave your comments on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palaver, you know the finish. Peace out.